Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got Love with Food, possibly for the last time, I don't know. Depending on what they put in here, we'll see. This one I started getting kind of like tired of, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside there, but tired, if you can see that, of like the repetitive stuff, unless it's something I like that's repetitive. But it comes with this card. It says, when I think of love, I think of, it says, we want to know, share, and tag us. That's cute, so you can put something there. It's just a card, though.
And
so
in case we're doing this video first that you're seeing, we're wearing pirate costumes because we're going to like Dickens Fest Pickwick Pub Night event where we're supposed to dress up like pirates, so that's why we're wearing these costumes.
Okay. So my first snack I see is Cleverly's grain-free no granola when honey met maple. I don't know, that's interesting. My daughter will probably want to eat that, but and then I'm gonna do this kind of quick. I've got Darrell Lee Real Twist Soft and Delicious Strawberry Candy. If it's like Twizzlers or one of those things, that's cool. I'm okay with that. Let's see, Health Warrior Chia Bar Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Now, if it tasted like chocolate chip cookie dough, like the ice cream, that would be wonderful. But usually stuff like that tastes like junk in the end. It doesn't taste as good as it says. Mighty Sesame Tahini Bar Pistachio. I feel like I got one of these before too. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like the exact same kind of like look of that bar. Then there's just the cheese, crunchy toasted cheese, only ingredients cheese, great for low carb snacking, grilled cheese. Now, once like this too, like I'll get it and like the cheese will taste kind of funky. I don't know, because it's like in a bar form. Whole lot of Cliff Bar, salted dark chocolate. I don't know if I've gotten dark chocolate. I think I have. So I feel like that's a duplicate or something close to a duplicate. The one I'm interested in, because they always put something like this, sea salt and cracked pepper, Western Smokehouse. Like, I could eat beef jerky every day for the rest of my life and still be a happy person. This is easy. Spicy sunflower kernels, portable protein, nut-free. I think these are okay. I don't think I've had those ones before. I mean, that is specific flavor. And this is Parm Crisps Original Oven Baked.
Some more cheese.
Maybe this is the one that like tastes funny, because I know we had something like, I mean, it's like almost like tasty, but it's got like a weird taste, so you have to like it. This is Pretzel Pete's and Mini Twist Cheese Pizza. Like, holy cheese, Batman, they've got so much cheese in there. I'm like, and then Ayers, if I'm saying that right, potato chips. I like potato chips. I don't even care if this stuff's that healthy, but if it's not healthy, it better taste good.
It might not be real. It might be like.
This is a coconut lime protein bar. Can you see there's actual like physical coconut in that, or just coconut oil?
No, it's coconut in it.
Oh, yeah. So see, they keep giving me coconut, and I've told them I don't like coconut, and what are they going to do? I don't know. This is Lily's salted caramel milk chocolate style, no sugar added, so it's like a little, cute little tiny
Did you like
candy.
email them that you don't like coconut?
Well,
or
no,
something?
but I mean on
Profile.
reviews and stuff.
Oh,
I mean, they would see on every review, if they give me coconut, it's like, nope, don't like it. Nope, don't like it. Nope, don't like it. You would think they'd get it. Bone broth. We were just talking about this earlier. Something like this, where there's this broth that has like protein.
Yeah,
9 grams of protein.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I tried some earlier, not this brand.
I tried.
But
It was like in a little tiny pack though. The one I tried, it was like almost like a tea or something, or hot cocoa. Where you just pour the pack in. The last thing I have is a Kind Bar Simple Crunch Dark Chocolate and Oats. It's just weird when they give me granola bars. I guess I feel like I could buy them at the store, so I just don't really. I mean, I just want other stuff, I guess. But I mean, I won't mind trying it. It's just I always forget to try those ones, I guess. I try the weird stuff like the Parm Crisp. But that was it for this box. If I don't get it again, I like that it does feed 2 people for every box that you buy. That's a deluxe box. I don't know if there are people who are starving in the world or how that works. But my snacks I could buy at the store, I feel like I could take this $20 I use here and buy like what I actually want at the store. So I'm trying to like debate. I only have maybe a couple weeks left before they recharge me for the whole year. So we'll see if I continue with this or maybe try a new snack box. So stay tuned, and if you thought this video was quick enough, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways or know about our future giveaways like we're going to do in a few days here, and we'll catch you in our next video.
take care.
Bye.